Now let us see cat jumping program in Scratch. Now by default there is a cat sprite over here. Let us rename it to cat. I'm renaming it to cat. Now I'm adding the backdrop. Any backdrop you can add. This looks lively, so I'm adding this one. Oh, I want to position the cat here at this position. So what I'm going to do is, like when the green flag is clicked, when the green flag is clicked, you set the go to position of the cat. X and Y coordinates of the cat as -175 and -112. Now, as we know, every sprite is having two costumes with it, costume 1 and costume 2. Now, with the help of these two costumes, we are going to make cat moving. It's going to give an image of moving. Okay, so what we are going to do is, I am going to change the costume. So next costume I'm going to add here, and this one I'm going to run within the loop. So I'm going to write this within the loop, forever loop. Okay, so so that it keeps running. Okay, so let us run this. See, but it is quite fast. So let us add wait command. I have put wait for 1 second, but this is very slow. So you can change it to 0.3 seconds. Okay, so I have made cat moving. Now what I need to do is I need to jump when the I need to make cat jump when the obstacle comes. So when we press the space key, the cat sprite has to jump. So in the events, I will go for the event when the space key is pressed. I need to make my sprite go up. Okay, I need to make this go up. So the x coordinate will be as it is, only y will be changing. X will be -175 only. Y, where and how far I need to go up, that I need to see. So till here. So the coordinates here are of coordinates of y is 32. So I will glide now. I will glide and make the sprite to go up, and then I have to come back to this virtual position. So here I don't want to change x position. So I'm keeping x as -175 only y is changing. Again, I have to glide back to the original position. So again, -175, and then here I will set back to -112. Now the coordinates, it is up to you. Up to you to position the sprite, cat sprite. And now these coordinates I am using. You can use wherever you want, but it should be proper. Now let us see how this works. Okay. See, when I click on the space, the sprite goes up and then it comes down. Okay. Now let me add the obstacles. So I'm adding a new sprite over here. I'm going to add crab. So I'm adding crab obstacle. I'm going to rename this as obstacle. Obstacle. And then I'm changing the size to 50. And I want my obstacle to start from this end, from the rightmost end. The position of this is 200, x coordinate is 200 and y is minus 144. So when the green flag is clicked, I want the crab to start from this location. So go to x and y. After that, I want to glide it to here. So here only x will change and y will be as it is. So here I need to glide it. So what I will go for motion and then glide it to minus 208 x coordinate. The y coordinate will be as it is. It should be minus 144. Okay. Now I want to keep spawning the obstacles. We have to keep moving the obstacles from right to left, from right end to left end. So I'm going to put this in the forever loop. I'll put this in the forever loop. So let me run this. See how it is going. Okay. Now if you want, you can make the speed, you can reduce the speed of the obstacle. So I will reduce the speed of the obstacle by making it as 1.5. Okay. So now I want to add 3 obstacles instead of one obstacle. Let me add 3 obstacles. So go to costumes, and here, as we know, for every costume, 2 costumes are there. I am removing the second costume. I am deleting it, and then I will add 2 more new obstacles over here. Okay, I will add the next obstacle as hedgehog. We change the position, change the direction of the hedgehog. Let me stop this. Okay, flip it. I have flipped it. Okay, the next obstacle is 3 obstacles I need to include. It is up to you. You can include as many obstacles as you can. I'm including 3 obstacles. And the next one, I'm going to include octopus. I will include octopus also. Now, what I need to do is in the code, I have to show all the obstacles randomly. So what I will do is I will go for switch costume to randomly I need to pick. So go to operators, and here you have got pick random between 1 to 3. I need to pick. So I am sitting in between 1 to 3. Okay. Now let us run and see. Randomly it is changing. The obstacles are changing. Now, next what you need to do is you have to write the code for if the cat touches the obstacle, you need to stop the game. So what I will do is in the cat sprite, I will write the code for if code. If here will write here if cat is touching, go to sensing and go for touching method over here. If touching the obstacle, we need to stop the game. So what you need to do is stop all. If it is touching. So let us see. So it has stopped. See, when the casket has touched the hedgehog, it has stopped. So I have to increase the speed of the cat sprite over here because it is very slow. So let us increase the speed of it. Let us make it 0.5. Let us increase the speed of it by setting it as 0.5. So see, that is escaping the obstacles. Now here, this is fine, but we need to add it has stopped here because the cat is touching the obstacle. Now let us put some score. Then only the game would be interesting. How much score you have earned. For that, we need to do coding. Okay, let us see that. Score. Make it interesting. So here you add a variable, make a variable, you add score. Okay. Now here I'm going to increase the score when the costume, when the obstacle changes, when after the switch costume. So I'm going to change the variable by 1. I'm going to increase the value of score by 1 when new costume, when new obstacle comes. Okay, so let us see how it works. See, okay, here it is touched. Let us try one more time. Oh, so like this, you can give the scoring. So score 5. Okay, but see here, you have to make it 0. The previous game score should not get added, so make it 0. The score value. Set the score to 0 here. So you just run. So now again, set that. See the score value got changed. Like this, you can see now it is interesting. Oh, so this total score I got here is 15. Now you can say I want to display the message game over now. So I need to broadcast the message. Okay. So in the cat, when I when the cat touches the obstacle, you broadcast the message game over. Then the cat should say game over. It should show the message game over. So what I will do is I will go to events here broadcast. So when the cat touches the obstacle, you broadcast the message, take a new message, game over. New message, you broadcast it. Now when you receive the message game over, cat should say game over. Okay. So when I receive the message game over, the cat should say, the cat sprite should say, it should say game over. Okay. So let us start now. Oh yeah. I'm making it. Now I would touch. Now the cat has displayed the message. My score is 9, and the cat has displayed the message game over. So this is how you can enjoy doing this program. So let us do it in the big screen. Oh, I'm dealing only. I lost it. So guys, you can try this game in the scratch.